بوغ
أوكاس
كاك الرأي أساك صح أنت سنو فرن كريم أنت كريم
يدور بالله ولا وجدي
يدرو فديا نقول تاجين فدي سلام كينك First, how's your condition?
My condition isn't very good. I'm not very healthy. I haven't eaten in 2 days, and I only get bread and water occasionally.
What's your nationality?
I'm American and I'm German.
Because of that? American and German?
Yes.
You have 2 passports?
2 passports, yeah.
First attempt, well, you arrived here?
I arrived here in early January.
Eh?
January 6th in Somalia.
What about?
Sorry, it was a bit later than that, but I came to write about the condition of the Somali people and about piracy in general and about a construction project, a development project in central Somalia.
How did deal with you this malicious men or gunmen?
I'm sorry?
Awi, magciisi sidee kula dhaqmaan asxaabtan aan dunia sidee kula dhaqmaan ragaan macna kula joogan?
What are you feeling outside of life?
I'm afraid. I'm terrified.
Okay, then what you are requesting for your government?
I have to request from the American or the German government the full ransom.
Okay, which government especially are requesting to pay the ransom?
Well,
the kidnappers they need.
The German government.
And then how do you want it to be?
They need to give an answer within 3 days, and
Exist your freedom?
Listen, is there any problem with your offer?
with my what?
Is there any problem with your offer to happen if they do not pay the ransom?
Yes.
What is it?
If the ransom, if there's no answer to payment of the ransom within 3 days, then the kidnappers here will sell me to Al-Shabaab.
Is there any those American troops have been killed with 9 persons near Badeeda? For their brothers, are they members of these here?
I think so. These kidnappers here were related to 9 Somalis who were killed in action by U.S. troops.
Okay, thank you. Then we need, especially government, you need to pay the ransom.
Yeah.
Which government, especially? Which government
the American government, but the German government too.
Both of them.
Both of them.
Well, how is your life then? How's your food?
My life is terrible. My life is terrible.
Like home and food and water?
How much time can you get a food a day?
I get a little bit of bread every day and a little bit of water, but actually I haven't had anything to eat in 2 days.
After 2 days, maybe you get half of rice.
Yeah, rice too. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. And then now, what are you feeling then now? How's it for your health?
I feel weak, and I just don't feel. I've been here for too long, basically.
Stop.